Intriguingly packed into tiny specks are some of the most potent nutrients nature has to offer. Chia seeds may not look like much, but these humble seeds have taken the health and wellness world by storm. But what makes these tiny seeds so popular? How can something so small have such a massive impact on our health? More importantly, can chia seeds really boost your muscles and performance? Enhance your memory and energy? Stay tuned to find out. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It's your support that allows us to bring you more valuable content. Chia seeds have an ancient story to tell. Once a staple food of the mighty Aztec and Mayan civilizations, these seeds were valued for their energy-boosting properties. Warriors would consume them for strength and endurance. But the chia seed's history doesn't stop there. These seeds are a modern-day superfood that has captured the attention of nutritionists and scientists alike, and they have a lot to say about these powerful seeds. Recent studies have brought to light the exceptional nutrient profile of chia seeds. According to a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2016, chia seeds are a rich source of healthy fats, dietary fiber, high-quality protein, and antioxidants. They also contain a good amount of essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. This composition alone makes chia seeds a great dietary addition for everyone, including athletes looking for an edge in performance and muscle development. How can chia seeds aid in muscle development and performance, you might ask? It's all about the quality of the protein they offer. Proteins are the building blocks of muscle, and chia seeds happen to provide all 9 essential amino acids, which is rare for a plant-based source of protein. A study published in Nutrients in 2019 confirms this, suggesting that the protein in chia seeds could be effective for promoting muscle recovery and adaptation after exercise. What about the brain and energy claims? Well, these are not far-fetched either. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA. These fatty acids are known to play a crucial role in cognitive function. A study published in Nutritional Neuroscience in 2018 noted a positive correlation between dietary intake of ALA and mood improvements. These seeds also have a high fiber content that can provide sustained energy release, preventing those energy highs and lows that can affect your day. Now that we've unraveled the health benefits of chia seeds, let's answer our initial questions. Are chia seeds a powerhouse of nutrients? Absolutely. Can they boost your muscles, performance, memory, and energy? The research says yes. But remember, while chia seeds can complement a healthy diet and lifestyle, they are not a magic solution. Balanced nutrition and regular exercise are still key. The benefits of chia seeds extend far beyond just protein and fiber. They have a number of other fascinating qualities that have been revealed by more recent research. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Chromatography A in 2014 explored the antioxidant capacity of chia seeds. Antioxidants are important because they help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, thereby preventing damage to our cells. The researchers discovered that chia seeds have a high antioxidant activity, primarily due to their phenolic content. This means they may help to combat oxidative stress, a key contributor to aging and diseases like cancer. Further, research published in the Reviews on Recent Clinical Trials journal in 2016 suggested that the consumption of chia seeds could help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The high fiber content in these seeds can slow down the rate at which food moves through the gut and is absorbed into the body, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals. One particularly interesting study published in Nutrients in 2020 even explored the effects of chia seeds on weight loss. The researchers found that incorporating chia seeds into the diet might help promote weight loss and improve lipid profiles, mainly due to their high dietary fiber and alpha-linolenic acid (ALA) content. Chia seeds also have an excellent calcium content, which is vital for bone health. According to a 2014 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, they contain approximately 5 times more calcium than milk browns, making them an excellent source of this mineral, especially for individuals who don't consume dairy products. Lastly, a 2016 study in the European Journal of Nutrition pointed to the benefits of chia seeds for heart health. Their high omega-3 fatty acid content can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are generally safe and well tolerated by most people. However, like any food, they can cause side effects in certain situations or when consumed in excess. Digestive issues. Chia seeds are high in fiber. While this is good for your gut health and can help with digestion, consuming too much fiber, especially if your body isn't used to it, can lead to bloating, gas, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. Allergies. Though rare, some people might be allergic to chia seeds. Symptoms could include skin rashes, hives, and watery eyes. In severe cases, it can cause difficulties in breathing. Blood thinning. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to thin the blood and reduce clotting. This can be beneficial for many, but if you're taking blood-thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, it's best to consult with your doctor before incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Swallowing and choking risk. If chia seeds are eaten dry and not sufficiently chewed, they can absorb liquid in your esophagus and expand, potentially causing a blockage. To prevent this, always soak chia seeds or mix them into another food or beverage before eating. It's important to note that while chia seeds are a great addition to your diet, they should be consumed as part of a balanced and varied diet. If you're thinking of making significant changes to your diet, or if you have a medical condition, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a dietitian first. Here are a few simple and delicious ways to include chia seeds in your diet. Chia pudding. Combine 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of almond milk, or any other milk of your choice, a tablespoon of honey, or a natural sweetener. Stir well, ensuring there are no clumps of seeds, and then let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a pudding-like texture that you can top with your favorite fruits or nuts. Chia smoothies. Simply add a tablespoon of chia seeds to any smoothie. They will add a satisfying crunch and a load of nutrients without altering the taste. Chia seed oatmeal. Stir a tablespoon of chia seeds into your morning oatmeal. They will blend in perfectly and give your breakfast a nutrient boost. Chia energy bars. Blend 1 cup of dates, a 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of nut butter, 1½ cups of oats, 1/2 cup of almonds, and 1/2 cup of chia seeds. Once blended, press the mixture into a baking dish, refrigerate for a few hours, then cut into bars for a quick and healthy snack on the go. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share very okay with your friends and family. Your support helps us keep delivering quality content. Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, your well-being matters. Till next time, very okay.